Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to make homemade chocolate ice cream using 3 ingredients. Wow! So let's start. Ingredients: 2 boxes of all-purpose cream frozen, 1 can of chocolate flavored condensed milk, and 2 packs of dark chocolate Swiss Miss. Cooking instructions. Step 1. Mix all the ingredients, starting with the frozen all-purpose cream. Whisk it until slightly softened. Step 2. Add the dissolved mixture of Swiss Miss. Step 3. Add the chocolate condensed milk. Step 4. Whisk all the ingredients until mixed fully. You can also add anything on your ice cream mixture. So I added dark chocolate bars on my ice cream mixture since we are trying to achieve a chocolate overload flavored ice cream. Step 5. Put your ice cream mixture on a container. Step 6. Freeze for 6 hours. So there you have it, my very easy homemade chocolate ice cream. If you want to try this at home, full recipe is in the description box below.